In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x800040005 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Then you have to click on Troubleshoot. So scroll down and click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button that corresponds to Windows Update to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So follow the on-screen instructions. After running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Then click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Optional Updates. If there are any optional updates from here, especially driver updates, make sure to download and install all the optional updates. Then, go to the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on it under the Best Match. Locate the bits or the background intelligent transfer service. If this is not yet running, double click. Make sure this is automatic and then you have to click on Start, Apply, and then OK. If it is already running, click the Restart option on the left pane and then look for the cryptographic services. Right click or double click. Make sure this is automatic. Make sure this is running by clicking on the Start button, Apply, and then OK, and click on the Restart button on the left pane if it is already running. Scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows Update service. Double click, make sure this is automatic, make sure this is running by clicking on the Start button, Apply, and then OK. If it is already running, click the Restart button on the left pane, and after doing so, do not also forget to restart your Windows. Then click on the Start button, go to File Explorer. Click this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Look for the Windows folder, double click, and then look for the Software Distribution folder, and click on the Download folder and delete everything from here. Control A on keyboard to select all the items. Click the delete icon. So wait for all of this to be deleted from your Windows. Then the last thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click on Yes for the user account control and type SFC space / scan now. Hit enter. The system scan will begin, so wait for the process to be 100% completed. Once this is completed, type exit in the command prompt window, then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.